Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the default Finder view on Mac. To change the view of icons and folders in your Finder, to set it to default, go to Finder first, then choose the folder in which you want to change it, because you cannot change it across your whole system, you can only change it within a certain folder, and you can set it in different folders separately. So I'm gonna go to the Applications folder, and now to change it, click on this circle with 3 dots and click on Show View Options. Here you can adjust different view options. As you can see here, you can change all of it. I'm gonna change the icon size to make them smaller, decrease the grid spacing. Now maybe let's increase the text size, and you can also set the label position or anything else. Then if you want to set it as default, click on Use as Default, then close out of this window, and now whenever you open this folder again, it will always look like that. And remember that it does not apply for other folders, so in other folders it's still the old way around, but in the changed folder it looks like this. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.